I will wear anything anybody's paying.
Should have done that 4 hours ago.
I'm ready.
On this episode of Luke's Man Cave, we are building an E36, but with a special engine. If you watched the last episode, you would have seen the sneaky little pig. Sneak peek. Tough is because to this day nobody has bought me anything better.
I'm sure nobody bought you them either. You bought them for yourself.
I did buy them, yeah. I will wear anything anybody's paying.
So if anyone wants to buy any of the bits out of this car, everything's for sale.
Apart from the clutch.
I think the clutch is already sold. It's meant to be coming today.
Hey, just remind us, what was this? How long you had it?
I have had this 7, 8 years.
7, 8 years, and when you first bought it, it was obviously a BMW.
I originally bought it to sell on, but
What size engine was in it?
it was a 323 and I never drove it. The only time I drove it was I picked it up from the guy's house, drove it back to my mum's, left it there, and then I thought I'd do a V8 as I didn't know anyone that had done a V8.
You didn't skid it as a 323?
No, never. And then it took me about a year and a half to do the V8 conversion, and then drove it on the road for about 2-3 years. Found it was very slow,
Obviously.
and then yeah, parked it up.
Alright, so this is the 1UZ FE?
Yes,
1UZ FE.
mated with a BMW gearbox.
BMW gearbox. Was it Nev painted, the adapter?
No, Thomas Sawarski.
Oh, sounds Polish.
Yes, it is.
Fucking engineers from Poland. They're outstanding. Is this going to fall out the bottom with the manifolds on? It will, yeah?
It will.
Are we just going to drop the whole subframe, everything complete?
Subframe, everything complete. Just
Like-
do the calipers.
Like we normally do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's hope it's better than the F80. After all the money we're spending on this.
B58,
Yeah.
standard form is 360, 380, something like
Something
that.
like that.
With a downpipe remap,
Downpipe and air filter, I think it takes about 450.
450,
Yeah.
for a car that we're going to get weighing less than a tonne.
I don't think it's going to be less than a tonne.
Depends how much money you spend.
Yeah, exactly.
How deep your pockets. Quick update, engine's out already because BMW specialist in that. We're going to take the front end off, front clip, as we're going to call it. And that will allow us more room, That will allow us more room then so we can play with putting the new engine in its hole. First job with the new engine, mount the gearbox. I know it seems counterintuitive, but that is a fixed point. And then we're going to put the rest of it up with the subframe so it can just sort of dangle there. And then we'll put jack stands and stuff underneath it and I'll fabricate some engine mounts. Some modification required. cutting chassis?
Most likely, yes.
Have you not got a sledgehammer? I can make some serious adjustment with that.
No, we cut it.
And then we can just get a few taps on it and then she'll be good for it after.
No,
All right,
no, Sam.
All right, Jeremy Clarkson.
Okay, grinder out, mate. Not the app.
Oh. Here's one I made earlier. Fucking, it's almost as if I measured it, isn't it? That is going to drop back. So that's why I'm pulling funny faces.
Bracket strap across the two ramp legs to hold the box instead of it dropping all the way down.
Yes.
And then when it's up in the air, we can put a trestle underneath it.
Yeah, that do.
Just to check those legs aren't going to suddenly ratchet strap and go in.
Maybe.
And then it fall and then the car go wudder and then the B58 come at the front.
Maybe.
Make great content. But
It would make great content. And to find out if that happens, stay tuned after the break.
Yeah, Sam. Yeah, go.
What?
You off, yeah?
Yeah, I'm off.
Wait.
Can't cut drop, bro. I was hoping we could get that bolt lined up with that and then the same this side. Yeah. We're going to go from there to there. Obviously, we need to grind that back a bit so we can get a bolt in there. And then we'll make a thing that goes like that to hold the back of the gearbox up. There, I'll cut that and then we can bend that up. Once we've bent that, then we'll cut it again there to bend it down. That seems like a plan, doesn't it? There is a well-known phrase that I know. That fucking do, wouldn't it? Out fucking stand it. Yeah. What you're doing there, Sam, is you're
marking it.
Yeah, but
yeah, so it's in the middle of that.
Thanks, mate. We'll get it fitting properly, and then we'll buzz it all up so it won't move, and we'll reinforce it and stuff. Update for you. So the gearbox mount is done-ish. It's done enough for now. I've tacked it all in place, and now we're going to attack the front. We've got engine mounts in, but we need to make it work. Probably with some big bits of angle on again. Fucking standing.
Lovely.
Yeah, I'm happy with that. Right, I mean, I've got some holes to fill. Fucking hell. What's the? You put the golf ball and the little thing that goes in the ground when you're whacking it.
Yeah.
What's the little thing called?
I don't know.
A tee.
Milk and two.
time in the army.
And the sound engine on the back.
Look at all of that room. And there was us worried about putting the fucking oil filter relocation kit.
Yeah.
I could sit in there and change the oil filter. That's how much room there is. Should we go and grab a bonnet real quick?
Yeah, right over there.
Yeah, grab the white one. To me.
To me, to you.
Have we or have we not fitted a B58 engine in an E36 in a day?
Yes.
This pain in the arse radiator holder support bar was the bane of our build. We tried to leave it in to hold the new radiator in place, but it didn't fit, so away it goes into the Scipio. Should have done that 4 hours ago. I mean, that rad wants to sit in there with the amount of hoses it's got. Let's grab the front clip.
Cut flush from here.
Yeah.
So it's a flat plate down.
Yeah.
Leave the flange.
Yeah.
And then just cut to here.
Yeah, but is that going to give us enough though? That's giving us 6 inches.
Everything's 6 inches.
72 centimetres.
Right.
Oh, holy shit, you are correct. That is 72.5 centimetres.
If it's in, it's in, isn't it?
In is in.
Take it off and start cutting, I suppose.
Quick update, I've done some grinding. I've done some cutting to make room for the radiator. And this is the moment of truth. Will the radiator fit in the hole? Yeah, go up. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Stop! Well, it's not a huge biggie, really, because this front crash bar doesn't do anything anymore. Now it's got all roll caging and stuff. It's like a movie set, isn't it? Cut!
No, we're only high because we didn't cut all the way.
Should we work out a way of nailing the radiator exactly where it is in?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Nowhere near, mate.
Not, is it? You know what I was getting at though, didn't you?
Yeah.
Alright, let's fabricate something out of steel then and we can weld it on. That slots into like that. We'll put a nut and bolt through that to hold that together. We'll clean off one of them sides and then that is going to hold the radiator to the chassis. Right, so that's how that's going to look.
Yeah.
It'll be on there, it'll be well secure.
Yeah.
And the decision you want is, am I welding this bit or am I going to nut and bolt that bit? I'll tell you the options why. To get this off you have to go up or rather down, so the radiator has to go up. If it's welded in place, radiator has to go up and you won't have option for that because upwards is clip off and shit, isn't it? Is that fine, yeah?
That's fine. Pass it on.
Yeah. Oh.
Thanks for watching this episode of Luke's Man Cave, where we put an engine in the hole. It all kind of fits. There's so much room for activities. While we're away, before I can afford to have Mike in again, I'm going to finish bits a little bit. Just there's a little bit more welding needs to do, a little bit neatening up. We've got electronic water pump to put in and just a few little bits and bobs, nothing too serious. And I will see you on the next episode. If you've liked it, please like and subscribe. Have a good day.